You know, I was preaching to a gentleman one day while he was smoking, and he wanted to, and I didn't say anything about his smoking. He just kept on smoking, and I was talking, and then he thought, doesn't he notice I'm smoking? Then when I wouldn't say anything about his smoking, he said, I believe everything you're saying, but I can't stop this thing. I said, you don't have to stop it. He thought, huh? I said, haven't you tried to stop it before? He said, I've tried many times, I couldn't stop it. I said, now you can't stop it, so you don't have to worry. Shocked. Because you see, he was thinking he has to drop that first, he has to stop it first before Christ can. If you could clean yourself for God first before God came, then you don't need him.